Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related content. We've been doing a lot of hair recently, but I'm trying to get back to the beauty. But for today it is hair again. As you can see by the title, we're going to be talking about this hair from Nadula. So Nadula sent over their Bye Bye Knots wig. Let me just make sure. So Nadula sent over this wig. It's their Bye Bye Knots wig 2.0. It came pre everything. So I don't know about the pre-bleached. I think it still needs to be bleached. But it did come pre-plucked and also pre-cut. The lace on this was already done. And for the first time ever, I used double-sided tape, or what do they call it? I used wig tape basically, and honestly I might have been converted. I think wig tape might be it for me. I really like it. It's so easy, like just 4 strips and boom, you're done. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and you want to know more details about this hair, please keep on watching.
Whispering spells about what it means to be one.
So yeah, I did end up having to use spray on the sides because I should have done the tape, like I should have done this whole install before I put makeup on, but because of the makeup and even the makeup on the lace, it was really annoying. So if you want to do this, make sure that your lace is clean and your skin is clean so that it can stay on. But yes, I might be converted, I might be a tape girl. But yeah, this hair is really pretty. I wasn't sure about this color to begin with, but I actually really like it. It's really cute. It's like, you know, simple but with a pop of something different. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I love to answer your questions. So that's it for today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll love to see you in the next one.